First day at a new job. Good morning, I'm new here. My name is Samir.
Welcome, Samir. I'm Alice. I work in the same department.
Nice to meet you, Alice. I'm feeling a little nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels that on the first day.
Thanks. Could you show me where the break room is?
Sure, it's right down the hall next to the printer.
Got it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
At the airport check-in counter.
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
All right. Your seat number is 17A. Boarding starts at 5:30 p.m.
Great. Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you.
Helping a tourist in the city, sure.
Excuse me, I'm trying to find the National Museum.
You're not far from it. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay. Then where?
Then turn left at the big fountain. The museum will be on your right.
Thank you. Is it open now?
Yes, it stays open till 6 p.m.
That's perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit. Calling a plumber.
Hello. Is this Quick Fix plumbing service?
Yes, how can I help you?
There's a leak under my kitchen sink. It started last night.
I see. Can I send someone this afternoon?
That would be great. I'll be home after 3 p.m.
All right, our plumber will reach you between 3 and 4 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. At a mobile store.
Hello. I'm looking for a new phone.
What kind of phone are you looking for? Android or iPhone?
Android. I want good battery life and a nice camera.
We have this model. It has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery and 50 megapixel camera.
That sounds great. Can I try it?
Of course. Here you go.
I like it. I'll take one in black.
Excellent choice. Making small talk in a waiting room. Hi, have you been waiting long?
Not too long. Maybe 10 minutes.
That's good. It's always hard to wait.
Yes. Are you here for a checkup too?
Yes, just a regular checkup.
Me too. It's important to stay healthy.
Absolutely. By the way, nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, finally some sunshine after all that rain.
Getting help in a bookstore.
Hello. Do you have any English grammar books for beginners?
Yes, they're in aisle 3, next to the language section.
Great. Do you recommend any particular book?
English Made Easy is very popular.
Okay, I'll check that out. Do you also sell notebooks?
Yes, right near the entrance.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime. Discussing weekend plans.
Hey, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
I was thinking of going hiking on Sunday.
That sounds fun. Where are you going?
Pine Hill, it's not too far.
Count me in. What time should we leave?
Let's meet at 7 a.m.
All right. I'll bring snacks on a video call with a friend.
Hey, I haven't seen you in weeks.
And I know. Work has been super busy.
How have you been?
I'm doing okay, just tired.
Let's meet this weekend. Maybe a coffee.
That would be great. Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. I'll message you the place.
Looking forward to it. Buying tickets at an amusement park.
Hi. 2 adult tickets and 1 child ticket, please.
That will be $25. Do you want the all-day pass?
Yes, please.
Here are your wristbands. You can enter all rides with these.
Haha, slow down. Let's check the map first.
Enjoy your day at the park.
Thank you.
At the eye clinic.
Good morning. I have an appointment at 11 a.m.
Your name, please?
Farhana Akhtar.
Yes, I found it. Please take a seat. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you. I've been having trouble seeing distant objects.
The doctor will check your eyes carefully. Don't worry. At a restaurant with friends.
This place looks nice. Have you eaten here before?
No, this is my first time, but I heard the food is great.
I think I'll try the grilled chicken.
I might go for the pasta.
Let's also order one dessert to share.
Good idea. I love chocolate cake. Talking to a school principal.
Good morning, sir. I'm here to talk about my son, Adib.
Yes, please have a seat. What would you like to discuss?
He's struggling with math and feels shy in class.
I understand. We can arrange extra help after school.
That would be very helpful.
We want every student to succeed. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
At the coffee shop, hi. I'd like a large cappuccino, please.
Sure. Would you like any sugar or cream?
Just a little sugar, no cream.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your coffee will be ready in a minute.
At the doctor's office.
Good morning. I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
What's your name, please?
Nina Patel.
Thank you. Please have a seat. The doctor will call you soon.
Okay, thanks.
Taking a taxi?
Hello, can you take me to the airport?
Be sure. Terminal 1 or 2?
Terminal 2, please.
All right. Sit back and relax.
Thank you.
At the library.
Excuse me, where is the English book section?
It's on the second floor, near the study area.
Thanks. And can Elle borrow more than 2 books?
Yes, up to 5 books at a time.
That's great.
Ordering food. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich and a lemonade.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, your order will be ready soon. Asking for directions.
Hi, can you tell me how to get to the bus station?
Sure, go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
And is it far from here?
Number just a 5-minute walk.
Thank you so much.
Shopping for clothes.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, here it is.
Great, can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thanks.
Making a phone call.
Hello, is this Mr. Smith?
Yes, speaking. Who's this?
This is Lily, from Green School.
Oh, hi Lily. How can I help you?
I wanted to confirm our meeting time.
Meeting a new friend. Hi there, I'm James.
Hello, James. I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to this city last week.
Welcome. I hope you like it here. At the grocery store,
Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
aisle 5, near the cheese section.
Thank you. Do you have any organic milk?
Yes, it's in the fridge, next to the yogurt.
Perfect. That's all I need.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too.
At the train station
Excuse me, when is the next train to Chicago?
at 10:30 a.m. from platform 3.
Can I buy a ticket here?
Yes. One way or round trip.
One way, please.
That will be $10. At the dentist's office. Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, at 9:15 a.m. with Dr. Lee.
All right. Please take a seat. The doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you very much.
Talking to a neighbor.
Hi there, I'm your new neighbor.
Oh, hello. Welcome to the building.
Thank you, it's my first day here.
Let me know if you need any help.
That's very kind of you.
Buying a bus ticket.
Hello, I need a bus ticket to downtown.
The next bus leaves in 15 minutes.
How much is the ticket?
It's $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your ticket. At a hotel reception. Welcome to City Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Linda Green.
One moment. Yes, we have your booking.
Great, can I check in now?
Yes, here is your room key. Asking about the weather.
Hi. Do you know if it will rain today?
Yes, I heard it might rain in the evening.
Oh no, I didn't bring an umbrella.
You can borrow mine if you want.
Really? Thank you so much.
Returning a product.
Hello, I bought this blender, but it doesn't work.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a refund or a replacement?
A replacement, please.
Asking for help in the street high. You look lost. Do you need help?
Yes, I'm trying to find Maple Street.
It's 2 blocks ahead. Then turn right.
Thank you, you're very helpful.
No problem. Have a good day. At a pet store, yes.
Hi, do you sell cat food here?
It's on aisle 2.
And do you have toys for small dogs?
Yes, right next to the pet beds.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Meeting a classmate. Hey, I think we're in the same math class.
Oh yeah, are you in Mr. Parker's group?
Yes. I sit in the 3rd row.
Cool. Want to study together sometime?
Sure, that sounds great.